over the world, foxes thrive in forests, grasslands, mountains, and even cities. The most common species is the red fox, but there are over 30 types in total. Foxes are omnivores, eating everything from small animals and insects to fruits and leftovers. They are mostly nocturnal and prefer to hunt alone, using their sharp senses and stealth. Foxes communicate through various sounds, including high-pitched screams, especially during mating season. Interestingly, they are believed to use the Earth's magnetic field to help locate hidden prey.